Today we'll discuss about the topic hidden goodwill. Just consider an example. If there are two partners A and B, the ratio between them is 3:2. C is the new partner being admitted for 1/4 share. Here in this case, C is admitted for 1/4 share. The capital contribution by C is 2 lakh. Rupees 2 lakh is the capital contribution of C for 1/4 share, as well as the question says that C has contributed necessary amount for goodwill, but what is the amount of goodwill, what is the value of the goodwill of the firm, nothing is mentioned. So this question is of hidden goodwill. Suppose in the question it is mentioned that C has contributed rupees 2 lakh for capital as well as the necessary amount for his share of goodwill. Now what is his share of goodwill, what is the premium for goodwill he pays, or what is the goodwill of the firm, nothing is given. In that case, how to find out goodwill? This is the question of hidden goodwill. So we'll solve it. If the capital of A is 3 lakh, capital of B is 2 lakh. Now what is C's contribution for 1/4 share? 2 lakh. C's contribution for 1/4 share is rupees 2 lakh. See, if for 1/4 share 2 lakh is contributed, so what is the total capital? Just think, just for example, if you consider a cake, if you cut the cake in 4 parts, 4 equal parts you have cut the cake. The cost of one part is rupees 2 lakh, then what is the cost of the whole cake? 2 lakh into 4, because one part's cost is 2 lakh, so the cost of 4 parts will be 2 lakh into 4. So the total capital will be 2 lakh into 4 by 1. Just need to reverse the share. C's share is 1/4. For 1/4 share he has contributed rupees 2 lakh. So 2 lakh will be reversed by 4 by 1. So it will become 2 lakh into 4 by 1, that is rupees 8 lakh. Now what is the existing capital? Total capital we got 8 lakh. Existing capital is equals to A's capital plus B's capital plus C's capital. Whatever is the capital of A, B and C, if we add that, we will get the existing capital. So not only A, B and C's capital, even if the question says about profit and loss account credit balance or debit balance, credit balance will be added, debit balance will be subtracted here. In existing capital, if you have general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss account credit balance, all will be added. But if you have advertisement suspense, previously appearing goodwill or profit and loss account debit balance, then these items will be subtracted. However, in this question, suppose it is not given, then A's capital plus B's capital plus C's capital will be the existing capital. A's capital was 3 lakh given in the question, B's capital 2 lakh as given in the question, and C's contribution is also 2 lakh in capital. So 3 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 2 lakh is 7 lakh. So 7 lakh is the existing capital and total capital is 8 lakhs. So the value of goodwill, hidden goodwill, will be total capital minus existing capital. Hidden goodwill is always total capital minus existing capital. Total capital was 8 lakhs. Existing capital is 7 lakhs. So 8 lakh minus 7 lakh, that is 1 lakh, will be the value of hidden goodwill. This hidden goodwill is the goodwill of the firm. It is not C's goodwill all alone. It is the goodwill of the firm. Now C's share will be rupees 1 lakh into 1/4. C's share in the goodwill will be rupees 1 lakh into 1/4, as C's share is 1/4 in the profits. So C's share in the goodwill will also be 1/4. So 1 lakh is the goodwill of the firm that we have calculated as the hidden goodwill, into 1/4 is 25,000. So C's share in goodwill is 25,000. C has to pay 25,000 premium for goodwill. As suppose in the question it was told that C has contributed the necessary amount for goodwill as well as his capital. So the journal entry will go in this manner. Cash account debit rupees 2,25,000, 2 lakh for capital and 25,000 for premium for goodwill. To C's capital 2 lakh, to premium for goodwill 25,000. So it will be cash account debit 2,25,000, to C's capital 2 lakh, to premium for goodwill 25,000, being cash and premium brought in by C. Next entry will be premium for goodwill account debit 25,000, to S capital, to B's capital. S capital and B's capital, this will be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. You have to calculate the sacrificing ratio for this question. I have calculated, it comes to 3:2. When you calculate the sacrificing ratio, you will get 3:2 in this question. In that 3:2 ratio, you have to divide the premium for goodwill. 25,000 when divided in 3:2 comes to 15,000 and 10,000, being premium distributed being the narration. So this is the question, how you will solve the question of hidden goodwill. I hope it is clear to all of you how you need to solve the question of hidden goodwill. I am showing you right again from the top. I hope all of you are clear with this hidden goodwill, and if you still have any queries, you can directly text me or call me on my contact number through WhatsApp or through call. I'll send you few questions that you'll solve and send it to me personally on my WhatsApp as soon as possible. Thank you very much and bye.